Like in a highly publicized incident at the historic Shaniwar Wada Fort in Pune, Medha Kulkarni, a BJP MP, led a march along with Hindu organization activists to what she called purify a spot where a group of Muslim women had reportedly offered namaz. The visuals are there on your screen. She cleaned this area, performed a ritual, Shiv Vandana, contending that this site isn't a mosque and should not be used for namaz, arguing that the fort is a symbol of Hindui Swaraj. Now, the move has drawn strong criticism from local opposition parties, the NCP, led by Ajit Pawar, and also Indian National Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. And all of these opposition parties have alleged that this is an attempt to polarize Hindu-Muslim sentiments just ahead of local civic elections. We have Shaina NC from the BJP to talk about this. Also, Waris Pathan of the MIM. The big question, what does this episode tell us about the state of communal politics and heritage site usage in urban India? One would see this as an act of provocation, seeking attention, but is it also symptomatic of deeper fissures in political and social order? Before I get in my guest, let's also take a look at some reactions.
शुक्रवार के दिन 1:30 बजे मुस्लिम महिलाओं ने नमाज पठन किया था। हमारा ऐतिहासिक धरोहर जो है मॉन्यूमेंट, एएसआई मॉन्यूमेंट के अंदर जाकर उन्होंने नमाज पठन किया। बिल्कुल ही ऐसी हरकत जो उन्होंने की है, हमारा ऑब्जेक्शन है। आज यहाँ हमने आंदोलन किया और जिस भूमि पर उन्होंने ऐसी हरकत की थी उस भूमि को फिर से पवित्र करने के लिए हमने वहाँ हिंदवी स्वराज्य के संस्थापक छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की शिव वंदना उनको अर्पित करके उस जगह को फिर से पवित्र किया है।
मैं उस बीजेपी के एमपी से बोलना चाहता हूँ, अल्लाह से डर। अल्लाह का कहर पड़ेगा ना तो पता नहीं चलेगा कहाँ चले गए। एक आदमी पूजा कर रहा है, नमाज पढ़ रहा है, उसके साथ इस तरह की बदतमीजी जो हो रही है बीजेपी की ना, मैं समझता हूँ ये बर्दाश्त करने के काबिल नहीं है। आप अरब कंट्रीज़ में जाते हैं लोग, वहाँ भी मंदिर बन रही है, वहाँ भी पूजा हो रही है, कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है। लेकिन हिंदुस्तान में जिन मुसलमानों ने इस देश के लिए अपने खून की इतनी बड़ी कुर्बानी दिया, जो मुसलमान पाकिस्तान जा रहा था उसको रोका गया यहाँ पर कि तुम्हें इस मुल्क में पूरा का पूरा जो तुम्हारा हक मिलेगा, तुमको तुम्हारे साथ कोई ज्यादती नहीं होगी। कानून बनाया गया कि आप अपने पैसे से मस्जिद बना सकते हो, मंदिर बना सकते हो, पूजा कर सकते हो। उस मुल्क के अंदर वो लोग जो अंग्रेज़ों की दलाली करते थे, तलवे चाटते थे, वो बड़े अफसोस के साथ आज वो सत्ता में बैठे हुए हैं और मुसलमानों के साथ ये जुल्म करेंगे। इंतजार करो, इसका बदला मिलेगा उनको।
We have Shaina NC of the Shiv Sena with us. We also have Waris Pathan of the MIM. Shaina NC, to you first. Everyone remembers you fighting that very spirited battle from Mumba Devi ma'am, and there were many Muslims there. Clearly, this is something that is attention-seeking a problem. Like, clearly, what was the need for a BJP MP to do something like this?
Firstly, Vasudha, let me please wish everyone on the occasion of Diwali. And I think the beauty of this country of ours is that we coexist and anekta mein ekta. We all respect each other. We respect each other's religious ethos, beliefs, thoughts without imposing on each other. And as far as this incident is concerned, I think the FIR that has been registered is under the provision of the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains. That's the AMASR rule, which is 1959, which basically allows, if there is any alleged violation, restrictions, which is applicable to a protected monument. Now, having said that, I don't think this is about Hindu versus Muslim. But at the same time, if a Hindu goes to, say, a Haji Ali Dargah and starts reciting the Hanuman Chalisa, that would not be something that one would also accept. So I think that we need to understand that if there is a historic Shaniwar Wada where people go and they go definitely as tourists, as a protected monument, but there, if you start, your own religious practice, then I think it can definitely give a lot of anxiety, or shall I say, uneasiness to a whole community. So I think that we need to urge this as an issue where we need to respect each other. And if we all continue to coexist in a country such as ours, where our Prime Minister has always said that, sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas,
moves
sabka
like this
prayas.
will only alienate the community, right? Because you are basically protesting against
but the point is,
prayers.
Vasudha,
the point Mr. Waris Pathan, let me take a comment from Waris Pathan. How do you look at this, especially the case which has been filed, which has been done by lawmaking officials, which is still fine, but an MP protesting this. How do you see that act?
Well, Vasudha, the BJP is trying to destroy the secular fabric of our great nation by spreading hatred. And hatred against whom? The Muslim community. They're trying to polarize the situation by indulging into such kind of unconstitutional things. See, on a Friday, on open ground, if 3-4 Muslim women offered Friday prayer for 3 minutes, what harm did it cause? Whose emotions were harmed? Huh? किसकी आस्था को ठेस पहुंची? Nobody. So, but they want to create the atmosphere of hatred in the country. So the ASI, okay, it's an ASI protected monument, it's applicable to all. The ASI goes and files an FIR against 3-4 women. Why not file an FIR against those people who went there to do the Shuddhikaran of that place, for purification of this place? It's an ASI protected monument. The Constitution speaks about equality. The Constitution's Article 25 clearly says that every person has a right to practice religion of his own choice. And here, if a Muslim woman, for 3 minutes, not more than that. See, we live in a secular nation. We talk about Ganga, Jamni, Tehzeebi. We follow the Constitution. Yet there are several of our Hindu brothers and sisters who play Garba at the airport or the train. We never object because every person has a right to follow, practice religion. But here, for 3 minutes, these things are going on in the country. And in Maharashtra, there are certain people the BJP has left. I call them Belagam Ghode. The BJP has sent Nafrati Chintus to spread hatred, to create an atmosphere of hate in the state. And that is why there are so many BJP ministers coming every day before the thing and they're spreading hate.
China, and see, Baris Pathan has asked this very important question. He says, if there's an FIR against Namaz, why is there no FIR against the Shuddhikaran that happened? How would you respond to that?
That Shuddhikaran should be done to the people on their mind.
Firstly, Vasudha,
Yeah.
one should offer prayers only at a designated place. If it is a Hindu that offers prayers at a place which is not appropriate, obviously it's going to spark the same kind of animosity. Here the question is that when you have Shaniwar Vada, which is a symbol of Hindu valor, and is so close to the community's heart, and there, if you have, Muslims who would be at, say, the Haji Ali Dargah, and there you have Hindus going in this rant and chanting the Hanuman Chalisa, would that be accepted? No, because it's not a designated place. So in a country like ours, where we have always amicably respected each other, my appeal to one and all is treat this as an issue of respecting each other's culture and coexisting.
Okay.
If you make
Baris
this a
Pathan, how do you see the
one-upmanship,
comparison
then
of
I think
Shaniwar
it's
Vada?
completely, the Peshwas,
Yeah.
the Peshwa Sardars themselves were the ones who removed,
But ma'am, it's everybody's history, right? We all know that Shivaji also, it's everybody's
Yes.
history. Like all communities should celebrate that history. And why would you alienate one community? Varis Pathan, how would
why
you
not
respond to this
invoke the
comparison? But she
almighty
makes an
fame
important
in
point that
good?
rules have to be same for everybody. All tourist spots should have similar kind of rules, and there should be no, communal undertones to any of these rules. Mr. Pathan.
The Shiv Sena spokesperson Shaina NC just now said about designated areas. May I remind her, is there a train designated area to play Garba or an airport designated area to play Garba? But we never object to that. We say every person has a right to practice religion of their own choice, and if you just do it for 3 minutes, no harm would be caused. Nobody's sentiments are hurt. No emotional sentiments are hurt of any people in the country. But you want to spread hatred. You spoke about Constitution. Constitutions talk about equality. Now, these people who were offering namaz, 3-4 Muslim women, you have registered an FIR against them, the ASI. The ASI is protected monument for all. Why no FIR is registered?
But Mr.
against
Pathan,
those
she
people who
addressed,
went
she
there
raised a
and
very
do the
important point. She's
Shuddhikaran?
saying that
Because Shuddhikaran and the purification is to be done of the BJP's mindset and their heart in which they have.
No, but she's saying Shaniwar Vada is something very close to the sentiment of Hindus because it represents Hindu valor. How would you respond to that?
Purification उसका होना चाहिए, शुद्धिकरण तुम्हारे दिल का दिमाग का होना चाहिए, not about the place, because there is hatred is there inside your mind and your heart against the Muslim community because you want to polarize the situation, you want to divert the mind of the nation
This
from
is
the
a
basic issue.
Shaina, please respond.
You have failed in development.
Let Shaina respond now.
This is-
Shaina?
This is a useless kind of debate. And
Allow me,
I would
you don't have
expect the
answers.
MIM
The
to only
unemployment.
play its divisive politics as it has done. And if you look at the track record, I don't think we need a certificate. The point here is Shaniwar Vada is a historical fortification. In Pune, we all know how this is the seat where the Peshwas of the Maratha Confederacy, it's right since the 18th century. So this is not for us to teach somebody who does not want to understand how this also is an area of sanctity. The fort itself, which was destroyed and then continued to sustain thanks to the ASI. And as a tourist spot, if you have certain sections coming out and offering namaz there, I think that is something which is also disrespect, right? Because it is a public public
Pathan.
space, and we know that where you have to pray.
Mr. Pathan,
You
the
are
fact that
welcome
she's
to
saying that
go
Shanivar
and
Vada is
namaz.
specifically important because it represents Hinduvi Swaraj and that communities have to be tolerant. How would you see that?
Well, we respect the greatest of all, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. In Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj army, there were many Muslims who were holding big posts, and they also used to offer namaz. So, coming from the mouth of this Shiv Sena spokesperson is totally not fair. Why you want to create an atmosphere of hatred? Kya Shivaji Maharaj?
You are creating the hatred, not us.
You are spreading hatred by doing this kind of thing. You are going to do the purification. If at all you want to go and do purification, please do in the BJP's mindset, on their heart. There is so much hatred installed in their heart. You should do purification, and you
Shaina, respond to that.
Shuddhikaran of that. Kindly do Shuddhikaran of your bad mind.
Yeah, Shaina, respond to that.
Look.
Do that. Rather than
May
spreading
I?
hate,
Oh,
spread love.
Shaina, please. Yeah.
Now, can I
Your-
please
your
respond?
intention is
You
only
cannot
simple.
Mr. Varis Pathan,
listen
let her
to
respond.
monologue.
Shaina?
You cannot.
People are asking you
You
questions
cannot
about
make
development. Do you
this.
have any answer? They are
My
asking you question on
limited
unemployment,
point
rising
is
unemployment.
this,
Do you have
that
any
you
answer
have
for that?
always
Well, any
played
answer for that
divisive
as well.
politics.
Let's just have Shaina,
We-
please.
You just want to polarize the situation by targeting the Muslims.
See, Vasudha, this is standard practice, just to shout and scream and make it out to be as if you are the victim. There's no victim here, sir. The thought process that you are talking about needs to be unanimous all across the country. We have Hindus and Muslims who have coexisted, respected each other, celebrated Diwali together, celebrated Ramzan together,
But since
prayed
11 years,
as
since the
mosques
BJP has come to
together,
power, we
prayed
have
at
lost that
temples
secularism.
together, and that is all welcome. But there are designated spots, designated areas, and when I say that if I come to a mosque and then I start
Nariman Point is
chanting the
designated
Hanuman
area for
Chalisa,
practicing
that
yoga.
is not a designated
Is
area
Nariman
for
Point
Hindus to be
designated area for
highlighting the
practice yoga
Hanuman
there?
Chalisa.
Have you
There
get
is a
out it
temple
designated
where
from the
one
government
goes.
of India
If
or
one goes to
state
a
government of
mosque and
Maharashtra?
starts doing the aarti and saying that, oh, this is my right. No, it's not, because we need to respect
Allow
each
me,
other
allow
and
me, allow me
understand
this
there
10
are
seconds.
designated spots. Here you have chosen to make this into an issue of
Okay.
you versus
Closing
us,
remarks.
which
Yeah.
is not true. This is
Allow me
about
just 10
India.
seconds.
Yes, Varis Pathan, closing
China
remarks from
each
you,
other's
sir.
culture, and that
Yeah, Vasudha.
China has made three important points. She's saying that it's just about rules, it's about designated spots, it's about all communities coexisting.
about
By
patience
although
and
Shaina
respect
ma'am,
for
I
each
do
other.
believe that what Medha Kulkarni did was completely unwarranted. There could always be discussion, and Shanivar Vada represents history for all of us, right? It's the valor of the Peshwas that the country needs to celebrate, and I'm sure you agree with that. Varis Pathan, your closing remarks.
Well, one pertinent question I would like to ask to my friend Shaina NC. Shaina NC does these yoga classes on Nariman Point, on the main road. Is it a designated area, Shaina NC? Have you got it designated, done from the Maharashtra
It's
government?
open to
Central
Hindus,
government? No,
Muslims,
we
Sikhs,
never object to
Isais,
that.
all. What are you
We
talking?
never object to that.
I mean, this is all stupid
Practicing
conversation.
yoga
is
You are
yoga is
deflecting
not
from the core.
yoga is not
main road.
religious, right? It's not a
If I
religious
start-
activity. It's to do with fitness.
On Marine Drive, if I get
You
people
don't
to
interrupt
start
me. I never
reciting the
interrupted.
Hanuman
Madam
Chalisa.
Okay,
Allow me-
Varis Pathan, let him have the last.
Yeah.
Varis Pathan, closing remarks.
I mean, absolutely.
Shaina, let him respond. I'll come to you. Varis
Shaina,
Pathan.
madam, why are you so much afraid? I'm asking you a simple
I'm not
question.
at
Did you
all.
get it
I
designated
welcome
done through the
you.
Maharashtra government?
Please come
The
and
Nariman Point where
understand
you
that
do this yoga thing
includes
every
all
Sunday.
segments.
You also invite me sometime. I know that, but is it a designated area? No, we never object to that. You do your practice. You want to practice your religion. You can do that very well. This is a country which is for secularism, pluralism. We talk about Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb, but here only because Muslims offered prayer
Okay,
for 3
quickly,
minutes.
Shaina,
they
and
suddenly
respond to
have
that before I wrap up. Yeah.
No, Vasudha, this is a very stupid argument. In fact, I am making the I am making a positive
What
argument
stupidity?
that we coexist.
Did I lie?
We coexist when it comes to faith, ethos, belief. You are talking about public
No,
spaces
did I ask
where
you a
Hindus,
simple
Muslims
question?
alike.
How is it a
come
foolish
and they
question?
encourage
Okay,
each
Shaina
other
and
to be a
Varis
part
Pathan,
of
thank you so
this
much for being
whole-
part of this broadcast. Completely
talk
out
about
of time, but this is a discussion for another day when heritage, religion, politics collide in a city's public square. The consequences, of course, go beyond a single act, and that is something that we all need to be mindful of. With that.